My favorite product is back, but it has limited availability. So I wanted to share with you the 2 different ways you can get your hands on it this month and share with you this month's host special. The first way you can get it is by hosting your own show. If your show hits $200 in sales, you're gonna be able to pick from the selected stoneware items and set at 60% off. If your show hits $650, then you're gonna have the option to pick 2 items at 60% off. And at this point, you're gonna be able to choose from stoneware, the new deluxe grill and griddle, and the air fryer. So say you want 1 piece of stoneware and the air fryer, you can do that. You want the grill and griddle and the air fryer, you can do that. You just can't pick 2 of the exact same item. The second way you can get your hands on it this month is if you had been thinking about becoming a consultant. Our Ultimate Kit is back and it includes the air fryer. Also this month we have 2 different kits available. We have a deluxe grill and griddle startup kit and we have a quick cooker startup kit. 3 great options if you were thinking about becoming a consultant. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you don't have a consultant, my links and information are in the description below and I'd be happy to answer any questions, or you can just drop them in the comments below. And if you do end up getting your hands on one of these air fryers, feel free to check out my Air Fryer 101 video just to get you started on it. All right, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.